Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this Yamaha AR250 just landed. This is a model year 26, guys, just arrived. Beautiful boat. You see it's got the slate gray hull side color with the black bottom. It's got the full black rub rail, guys, on it. Got your pop-up cleats. Got your nav lights located up front. Right here, port side midship is your gas fill with your gas vent. You have another pop-up cleat right here on the back. Let's take a look at the stern. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the AR250, you'll see the Yamaha swim platform. This is one of the best parts about this boat. This is your focal point. This is your hangout spot. Of course, you've got plenty of cup holders back here. You've got a mount for a table. You've got a quick remote for your stereo volume and controls right here. A couple additional speakers, 12-volt direct current plug-in back here as well. Great hangout spot, guys. This is where you're going to utilize a lot of your time. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Yamaha AR250. Taking a look at the bow, guys, you'll see a ton of room up here. I'm right at 6 foot, and I can completely stretch out, so plenty of room for full-size adults for lounging. You'll see plenty of cup holders here in the side, more cup holders up here. You've got a nice anchor locker in the front, guys. It also has a nice boarding ladder. Kids can jump off the front, dive, climb back in, jump over and over again, which is awesome. Nice little walk-through windshield right here. Going back to the cockpit, you'll see on the AR250, guys, this is the side-by-side captain's chairs with the L-shaped bench seat in the back side of the cockpit. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see you've got the Yamaha Connect screen front and center. You've got a wireless phone charger / phone holder. You've got extra controls right here. Of course, a lot of redundancy, and a lot of that stuff will be backed up on your screen as well. Of course, the AR250 is twin engine, so you have twin binnacles right here. Guys, nice bimini top with a tow point up here. Good spot for pulling, your wakeboard. Also have another tow point in the back for your tube. Nice bimini top. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you, and have a great day.